Alright, that's hand tight. The wire harness is back on, and as you can see, we have two lights with the ignition in the first click. So our oil pressure sensor is operational at this point. Very important, you want that operating. If you don't have enough pressure, you won't have enough oil circulating through your engine. The motor tends to want to get really hot, and especially without the oil, which is important anyway, you'll likely cause a lot of damage. So very important to make sure whenever you turn on your motor, click the first click, check for two lights, and then you'll be on your way.